In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur and animate text in Adobe After Effects. By the end, you'll know how to soften your titles for a dreamy look and bring them into focus over time for a clean, professional reveal. Start by creating or selecting your text layer. If you don't have one yet, choose the Type tool, click in your composition, and type your text. Keep that text layer selected in the timeline so the effect knows exactly where to go. It can help to name your layer clearly, especially if you're working in a busy timeline. With the layer selected, head to the top menu and choose Effect, then Blur and Sharpen, and pick Gaussian blur or fastbox blur. Both will soften your text nicely. Gaussian blur is classic and produces a smooth, natural blur. Fastbox blur is often quicker to render and is great for previews and final exports alike. Choose the one you prefer. The steps are identical from here. You'll now see a blurriness control in the Effect Controls panel. Drag the value up to increase the blur. Small values give a gentle softening that still feels readable, while higher values completely obscure the text for a dramatic reveal later. There's no universal number that fits every project, so keep an eye on your composition viewer and judge by how it looks in your actual layout and background. If your text is very large or your composition is high resolution, you might need a higher blurriness value to achieve the same softness. To animate the blur over time, use keyframes on the blurriness property. Place your playhead where you want the animation to begin. Set the blurriness to your starting amount, then click the stopwatch icon next to blurriness to create a keyframe. Move the playhead to the moment you want the change to end and set a new blurriness value. For a reveal, start high and bring it down to 0 so the text sharpens into view. For a blur out, do the opposite. Begin at 0 and increase the blur to fade the text into softness. You can tweak the timing simply by dragging the keyframes left or right. More distance means a slower, smoother change, and less distance creates a snappier transition. Preview your result and fine-tune the starting and ending values until the motion feels just right in the context of your scene. That's all there is to it. Create or select your text, apply a blur effect, dial in the look, and animate the blurriness for a polished blur in or blur out. With these essentials, you can stylize titles, create focus pulls, and add subtle elegance to your motion graphics.